What up, YouTube? We're over here at Trash Talk for their food truck. They serve New York Rochester style trash plates. And my first time hearing about trash plates was on Health Food Junkie, and I was looking at those plates like, oh my god, I want to try something like that. And then next thing you know, I find this food truck on Street Food Finder. They're natively from there. So I'm about to try one of their plates and check it out. So here's what their menu looks like. I think I'm about to try one of them trash plates. And then they got trash bites, and burgers, and then dogs and sandwiches and hot dogs. What up, guys? I ended up getting the hamburger tray. Well, not hamburger tray, but a hamburger plate. Let y'all see it. It's serious. So this plate consists of hamburger patty. Looks like fries, like little cut up fries. Got your chili, got your cheese, you got your macaroni salad, and let's try this out. Not sure how you put the oh, so it's like a. Here, I want to show y'all. Oh, it's kind of like you see the patty. Gave me a double patty with the macaroni salad. So this looks like it's about to be good. Let me try it. The hamburger, good. Let me try them. You're supposed to just mix it all together. That's the purpose. It's like when you're hungover and you just want everything at once. And I said it was his most popular menu item. Little kick in that macaroni salad. All right. Probably not even eating this right now. It's an odd choice of flavoring, but it works. Because I think sometimes I was looking at the menu. It's like in some pictures I see mac and cheese. And then the other pictures are like the salad stuff. And I was a little unsure if I was going to like the salad or not. But it's really good. And then it has a trash meat sauce. I don't know. It's just a signature sauce they have. Not really sure what's in it. This is definitely all played out. I would eat if I was wanting some massive food late night. I could see myself urging for one of these. Oh, I need to try that cheese on the top of the patty. I'm not sure if I have trash meat sauce. Do I have trash meat sauce? Well, I said I didn't want mustard or ketchup. Maybe that's what it consists of. I don't know. but definitely try them out. This is definitely a go. It's a weird flavoring with the salad, but and the fries and the chili and the burger, but definitely getting your money's worth. I'm probably not going to eat all this right now. Probably save some for later. But if I know if I'm ever around Rochester, New York, or definitely gotta find me a trash plate place. Those food trucks ever around. Now I'm really hungry. Definitely stacking up. Alright, my phone ran out of space, so it kind of just stopped my video. But yeah, definitely check out the place. I'm gonna leave the details in below. See you on another episode of Shawn and Shawn. Definitely check out this trash talk. It's really good. What up? So the people that stay near the end of the video, I'm gonna give y'all a quick disclaimer about trash talk that y'all might need for later on. Cause I'm not from New York. And I don't know nothing about these trash plates. So, I usually eat my lunch around 1 o'clock, right? About around 6:30 when I'm like at home, I was like, do I really even want anything else? Because I'm still full, kind of full from earlier. I probably ate about 3/4 of my plate, and I still had enough for tomorrow to eat for lunch. So, I don't have to go out and get anything. So, I'm going to just eat the rest of my trash talk plate. So I was like, well, let me just eat. You know how you get that feeling when you're like, well, I know I'm might be hungry later. So maybe I should just eat a little something. I'm not going to eat nothing big, but I'll eat something little. So I got me a Jersey Mike's Mini. You know, the smallest sandwich they got in there. So I ate that. I was just like, oh my God, I should have done that. Because now I'm back to the full state, too full. You just when you when you get to that point, you're just gonna want to do one of these numbers. You just want to do nothing but lay back and just maybe watch TV, just like this, or just scroll through. You're not gonna want to do anything once you eat that plate. You're not. And then I got too full from eating that mini, and I was just like, oh my God, shouldn't have ate that mini. Should have done it. I got too full. I felt like I was on a food high and I just wanted to come down. I was like, I ate too much. I couldn't judge how much I needed to eat because I never had one of these plates before. So if you ever get one during lunchtime, you might want to just eat half. Try to eat half, because that macaroni salad, that was just too good. I could have stopped eating that part. So when you go to trash talk, make sure you just eat just maybe half, because trash talk is gonna have you hush, and when you hush, you just gonna feel like doing one of these because you're just gonna be too full. I'm like, I ain't know about these plates. We're gonna get me so full. So, until another episode of Shawn and Shawn. Peace.
You guys made it to the end of the video of Shawn and Shawn.
Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment.
Yeah, to leave us any feedback or suggestions of places we should check out. And stay tuned. More to come.
Peace.